Hi guys! So I'm going to perform a sequence of transformations on this polygon which I call K. So the first one I'm going to perform is I'm going to reflect K across the y-axis. So I'm going to go down to the reflection tool, click on my figure K, and reflect it across the y-axis. Okay, so now we have K prime, which is the image after K has been reflected across the y-axis. Okay, so now I'm going to perform a transformation on K prime. I'm going to translate K prime 3 units left and 2 units down. So for that, I'm actually going to need a vector, just because of GeoGebra, the way it works. So I'm going to create a vector that takes this point, from this point, 3 units left and 2 units down. You guys will learn more about vectors next year in 9th grade, but this is essentially just the same as going 3 units left and 2 units down, just going there along one vector. Okay, so now I'm going to go back to my transformations, click on Translate. I'm going to translate K prime by this vector. Alright, so now I have translated K prime 3 units left and 2 units down to create K double prime. So again, I reflected K across the y-axis, and that made K prime, and then I translated K prime 3 units left and 2 units down to create K double prime.